So this is another video that talks about another application for the begin Tai Chi posture. And again, you want to practice that on both sides, stepping out to the left, going through the movement, stepping in, stepping out to the right, going through the movement, and stepping in. If you're not sure of that movement, if you haven't trained it before, go check out some of the form videos that I posted with instructions of how to do that. Previous videos in this series also show a little more detail on how to do that. So the application that we're looking at today is a variation of the begin Tai Chi movement. Sometimes when you see people do this, they step out and instead of keeping their palms toward the floor as they do this, you see them turn their palms toward each other, coming up and going down. So you can use that variation in a similar way that you use this as a deflection. You come up to deflect and come down to deflect. So when a strike comes out at face level, instead of coming underneath with this one, you're going to the side. So you're coming to the outside to deflect it here, or you're going to the inside to deflect it here, but you're going in or out to lead it off the line of attack. If it's coming low, then you go to the side, or you go to the other side. So you're using this downward to come here, or to come here. And you're just leading it to one side or the other. So having the hand turned vertically like this, you can deflect here, 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 or here, with this movement up high or down low. So the important thing is to remember that you don't need to move way off to the side when you deflect something. If you're coming here to deflect it to the outside, then it's just enough to keep it from hitting you. It's just off over here now instead of on your center line. If it's coming down the center line and I move it here, I just need to move it enough that it's going to deflect it over here and it's not still going to hit me. Same for down low. You can deflect it to the side here, just enough that it goes past me, or deflect it to the side here, enough that it goes past me. But that's the variation where the palms are facing each other, coming up and down. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like notifications when videos like this are posted.